Welcome back to Tech Vibe, the place where we break down the latest tech so you can make smarter choices. If you're a runner, a fitness lover, or someone who wants a powerful smartwatch with training tools, you're in the right place. Today, we're talking about the Garmin Forerunner 570. This watch is packed with performance features, detailed tracking, and long battery life. After spending time with it, I've got a lot to share. Let's get started. The Garmin Forerunner 570 keeps that clean, sporty look that fans love. It's light on the wrist, which is great for long runs or workouts. The watch is made from tough but light materials. The case feels solid without being bulky. It doesn't dig into the wrist and it stays secure thanks to the soft silicone strap. Garmin has made sure it stays comfortable whether you're training or just wearing it daily. There's a new design element this year. The bezels are slightly thinner, and the screen is just a little bit bigger. It's not flashy, but it looks more modern. You'll notice the sharper finish and tighter lines. There's also improved water resistance. You can swim, shower, and sweat all day without worrying. It still has 5 physical buttons, which is perfect for athletes who don't want to mess with touchscreens during a run or ride. The button layout is easy to learn and doesn't feel confusing. Whether you're starting an activity or checking stats, you'll get used to the controls fast. Now let's talk about the display. It's not an AMOLED like some smartwatches, but Garmin went with a memory and pixel screen again. This screen is great in bright sunlight. Outdoors, the watch is always readable. Whether you're running in the morning or biking at noon, the screen doesn't struggle. The resolution is sharper than the previous version. Colors are a bit more vibrant. It's not flashy, but it works well for what this watch is made for: data clarity. And because it's not using an old battery life stays strong. The always-on mode is easy on power, and backlight controls give you flexibility in darker conditions. Now let's get into performance. The Forerunner 570 is built for serious tracking. The new multi-band GPS locks in faster and keeps a stable connection. It's more accurate than before. You can see your route clearly without drift. Whether you're running in the city or deep in the woods, it stays locked. Garmin also upgraded the heart rate sensor. It reads faster and more consistently now. During interval training or long steady runs, the watch tracks the changes in your heart rate smoothly. You get more reliable data in real time. The training features are where the 570 really stands out. It offers advanced metrics like training, readiness, recovery time, VO2 max, and HRV status. These tools help you decide when to push and when to rest. It's like having a coach on your wrist. Pace Pro is also included. It gives you pacing strategies based on terrain. If you run on hilly routes, it adjusts your pace advice. There's also real-time stamina, which shows how much energy you have left during a workout. This feature is especially useful during long races. When it comes to software, Garmin has nailed it. The watch connects with the Garmin Connect app, which is still one of the most detailed fitness platforms out there. From sleep tracking to advanced running metrics, it gives you everything in one place. The interface on the watch itself is smoother. This year, menus load faster. Swiping through widgets or checking notifications feels more responsive. The customization options are deep. You can add or remove widgets, change your activity screens, and pick which metrics show up during your workout. And Garmin has kept the music features too. You can download playlists from Spotify, Deezer, and Amazon Music. With Bluetooth headphones, you can leave your phone at home. It's a big plus for runners who want fewer distractions. You also get safety features. There's incident detection and live tracking. If something goes wrong, your emergency contacts get a message. It's extra peace of mind whether you're out running at night or cycling solo. Battery life is still one of Garmin's strong points. With normal use, you can get up to 2 weeks. If you use it heavily with GPS every day, it still lasts several days. In GPS-only mode, it stretches to over 50 hours. And with the new multi-band GPS, you can still expect over 20 hours with better accuracy. Charging is quick too. You get a full charge in under 2 hours. The new charger is compact, and the cable feels sturdier than before. You won't need to worry about it breaking or bending. When it comes to sports tracking, this watch is a beast. It's great for running, biking, swimming, strength training, and more. It even tracks hiking, skiing, and triathlons. There are tons of activity modes. You can also create custom workouts. For runners, there are tools like cadence alerts, stride length, and ground contact time. These can help improve form and avoid injury. Cyclists will appreciate power meter support. Swimmers get lap tracking, stroke detection, and SWOLF scores. The watch also supports training plans. You can download a plan from Garmin Coach and follow a personalized schedule. The plans adjust based on your performance. You get alerts and tips directly on the watch during your workouts. In terms of audio, the 570 has no speaker, so it doesn't support calls, but it does work well with Bluetooth headphones. Music playback is smooth, and the connection stays strong. You can control your music during workouts without a problem. If you care about staying connected, you still get notifications for calls, texts, and apps. You can't reply if you're using an iPhone, but Android users can send quick responses. Garmin Pay is available too, which means you can tap to pay at stores that support contactless. Connectivity is strong overall. The watch supports Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and ANT+. It connects to accessories like heart rate straps, bike sensors, and more. Syncing with Garmin Connect is fast. You can also link your data with platforms like Strava or MyFitnessPal. Now let's talk about price. The Garmin Forerunner 570 isn't cheap, but for serious runners or endurance athletes, it's worth it. It offers deep data, training tools, and amazing battery life. There are more affordable fitness watches out there, but they don't match this level of performance. It sits at the higher end of the Forerunner series, just below the Fenix and Epix models. If you want a watch that can guide your training and handle any condition, the price makes sense, and it's more budget-friendly than Garmin's top-tier options. Let's quickly go over the pros and cons. The pros: lightweight design, super accurate GPS, advanced training tools, great battery life, and a powerful app. It's built for serious training and does it all without being bulky. The cons: no touchscreen, no speaker for calls, and the price might be too high for casual users. The screen isn't as colorful as AMOLED watches, and not everyone needs this many features. So, what's the final verdict? The Garmin Forerunner 570 is made for people who are serious about their fitness. It's not just a training tool. From the precise GPS and heart rate tracking to the recovery insights and pacing strategies, this watch helps you become a better athlete. It's not flashy, but it's smart, tough, and reliable. If you're training for races, trying to improve your runs, or just want detailed fitness tracking, this is a top pick. It might be more than casual users need, but if you're dedicated to your health and performance, it's one of the best options available. That's it for today's review of the Garmin Forerunner 570. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. We've got more honest, in-depth tech reviews coming your way, right here on Tech Vibe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.